G'day champions, another non-alcoholic beverage review for Dry July. The links to the donation are down in the doobly-doo, as AVE says. We've already hit, what was it, $1,500, and I set my target to 1,000, so that's friggin' amazing. Thank you to everyone that donated. I've gone through and replied to all your comments, so go back and have a look if you want to read them. I should have sent you an email if you put your address in, but if you didn't, I'll be there. So I ran a little poll because I had a bit of an existential crisis yesterday, thinking I'm pissing everyone off with these videos every day, even though, you know, it's pretty easy to just ignore them or skip over them. So I had a little poll on the community tab, and the results came in. 51% said I should do one every day. 43% said one every 3 or 4 days. And 5% said stop them altogether. So fuck those guys. We're going to keep doing them. I think I was a little bit trying to people please on the YouTube channel, but I sort of lost sight of why I started the channel in the first place, and that was to do whatever the fuck I felt like on there. So here we are. Otherwise, I think if you start people pleasing on YouTube, people can smell it from a mile away, and it feels forced, whereas this channel isn't. So, you know, nobody has a how to YouTube manual that's the Bible, and no one has a how to life manual. So I second guess pretty much everything I do in life, which makes things difficult from time to time. Anyway, you know, I never made a mission statement for this channel or even for my business, so I think what its aims are a little bit blurry. So it's always just been following my nose and doing whatever I got excited about, and I think people can sort of sense that. Anyway, it was never going to be hyper focused, this channel. Life isn't hyper focused, so this is just a, you know, whatever shiny thing attracts my attention, and is what I film. I think it sort of proves that we've got a pretty loyal fan base when we have like, what, 4.3 thousand subscribers, 4,300 subscribers. But when I do a live stream, there's like 50, 60 people watching. I see channels that have got 10, 20 times the amount of subscribers that I have, with that amount of people watching their live streams as, you know, peak. So I think that says a lot, and I think we have a nice little community here, and I'd thank you very much for joining us. So enough bullshit. Today we've got Beneficial Beer Co. Wagon Driver's Pale Ale, non-alcoholic. So I guess if you're driving the wagon, you can stay on it or off it. I always forget which one means not drink. Which one means not drinking? On the wagon or off the wagon?
On the wagon.
On the wagon means you're not drinking.
Well, I guess you can sit on it.
Because you can sit on the wagon. And you don't fall off. That's Shell's thing anyway. I guess that's what it means. Anyway, let's crack it and have a look. See how she pours. Oh, can's very full. Oop, this way. Oh, it's dripping on my keyboard. I don't have any beer glasses down here. Well, partially because it's Dry July. It's a bit silly because I'm drinking more beer than I ever have on Dry July. So it's got a nice head to it. Some of these, the carbonation has very large bubbles, and it doesn't really have any head retention or like a nice foam to the head, whereas this one does. Still got that same sort of non-alcoholic-y sort of tang to the smell. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's got better mouthfeel than the one yesterday. One could go as far as to say it is silky. And yeah, that's probably the best sort of lighter beer, like pale beer, so far. The reason I chose this one is because our local pizza shop, Monty's Pizza, it's a local legend up at Blaxland. They had the lager last year, and we went for pizza, Shell and I tried it, and I was pretty impressed. And I did pour that one into a glass too, and that's not bad. I might sneak a can of that into the pub tonight when we go for trivia. you go to the local bars and breweries, and a lot of them don't even have anything non-alcoholic. So you've literally got to sneak in no alcohol. It's ass backwards. But anyway, I'll give that one. Should we go out of 5 or 10? I'll give that one a, let's say, 7.5 out of 10. All right. So if you can get your hands on that one, it's made in Australia. Beneficialbeer.com.au. You can probably buy that online. It's supplied by Beneficial Beer Co. in Holt Street, Surrey Hills, so from Sydney. Is it made in Sydney? Yeah, not sure. I'll look into it. But yeah, that's a pretty good one. That's a good one. I might get another 4-pack of that. I think everything comes in 4-packs these days. You can't get 6-packs, so yay. So I'll see you tomorrow. And anyone that doesn't like this video, feel free to unsubscribe. No one will miss you.